Okay, so this is our Pearson Envision Math Grade 2, Lesson 4-2 for homework. We are basically doing the groups of tens and the ones together. We're adding the partial sums. So as you see here, we've got 36 plus 28. We're adding the tens first. So we have 5 tens and 0 ones. And then we're going to add the ones together. And we have 6 plus 8 is 14. And I've taught the students we can't have 2 digits in the ones box. There's only room for 1. So they know if we have 4 here, there has to be 1 here in the tens. Because technically 14 is one group of 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So there's 4 ones and 1 10. And then we just add straight down. 0 plus 4 is 4. And 5 plus 1 is 6, reminding them that we always start in the right-hand ones column and add those first because we might have to regroup them, which is old school carrying from when I was a kid. So we're going to start here with the tens first. So we have 2 tens plus 3 tens is 5 tens and 0 ones. 4 ones plus 5 ones is 9 ones and 0 tens, because this is all our tens column, this is all our ones column. So then we just add it straight down. 0 plus 9 is 9, 5 plus 0 is 5. Heading on over here to number 2, we're going to do our tens first. 1 10 plus 4 tens is 5 tens and 0 ones. Now we have 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. We can't put an 11 in here. We can't have 2 digits in that same box. So we know that 11 is 1 10 stick and 1 little dot. So we're going to move one of these 10 sticks over and put it here. So we have one group of 10 and 1 in the ones place is 11. So 0 plus 1 is 1 and 5 plus 1 is 6. Heading over for this one, basically the same thing again. 5 plus 2, and this is the tens, so 5 tens plus 2 tens is 7 tens and 0 ones. 8 plus 4 is going to be 12. We can't put 2 digits in there. We can't put 1 and 2. So it's one group of 10 and 2 ones. So we can put the 2 ones in the ones column and the one group of 10 over here in the ones. And then we add straight down. 0 plus 2 is 2. 7 plus 1 is 8. And heading over here, again, 2 tens plus 6 tens is 8 tens and 0 ones. And 5 ones plus 5 ones is 10. We can't put 10 inside here, but we know a 10 is 1 10 stick and 0 ones. So 0 ones, one group of 10, 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, I'm going to flip it over to the back page here. And, oops, see if I can get it to lay flat. Okay. So we're doing the same thing again. We always start with the tens when we're putting it together in partial sums. So 5 tens plus 2 tens is 7 tens. 3 ones plus 3 ones is 6 ones. Oh, sorry. Drop it down here because it's 7 tens and 0 ones. And then we do our ones. 3 plus 3 is 6. And we have no tens there. 0, just add it straight down. 0 plus 6 is 6. 7 plus 0 is 7. Doing our tens again. 3 tens plus 2 tens is 5 tens and 0 ones. Now we do our ones. 5 plus 8 is 13, which is one group of 10 and 1, 2, 3 ones. So we know we've got 3 ones here, one group of 10, adding straight down. 0 plus 3 is 3, 5 plus 1 is 6. All right, same thing. 3 tens plus 4 tens is 7 tens and 0 ones. 9 ones plus 8 ones is 17. So we know that's one group of 10 and 7 ones. So 7 ones, one group of 10, adding straight down. 7 plus 1 is 8 to 87. Our last one here, 6 plus 2 tens is 8 groups of 10s. 0 ones. 9 plus 7 is 16, which is one group of 10 and 6 ones, adding straight down to 96. Okay, our higher order thinking. Draw the second addend and write the number. So we have our first addend is a number plus something equals this sum. So our first add-in is 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So we know this is 23. And then our sum is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. So we know this is 65. So we're going to count up, but we don't want to go higher than 65. So we're going to start by tens. So 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, 64, 65. So that lets us know that 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42 is our second add-in. So 23 plus 42 equals 65. So here's our algebra, which is kind of fun. The students have been having a great time with this because it's a math mystery. You get to solve the math mystery. So 23 plus something is 48. This something is a red box. We have to figure out what it is. So 28, and I like to do the 10 lines and the little dots. So 28, we'll start with the tens. 38, 48, they can see easily. 10, 20, that red box equals 20 to make it correct. The triangle plus 18 equals 68. So let's start doing it by tens first. We have 18, so let's count up to 68. 18, 28, 38, 48, 58. So we know that, 18, 28, 38, 48, 58, 68. There we go. So we know that's going to be 50. So 18 plus 50 is 68. And then our final assessment on this one, which is the same amount as 12 plus 9 plus 18. So they can go ahead and solve this. Again, we want to try and get it into groups of 10, 20, 30. So if we look at this one, 12 plus 8 is 20, and 20 plus 9 equals 29. So we know that 20 plus 9 also equals 29. We know that 29 also equals 29. And then we have to take a look at this one here. This is 12 plus 10 plus 7, which is what we did. So 12 plus 7 is 19. So 10 plus 19 also equals 29 on that one.